Insane tunnels under Big Ben. The iconic Big Ben is known worldwide, but few are aware of the incredible network of tunnels beneath it. These tunnels have played a significant role in London's infrastructure and have an intriguing history that many overlook. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of the tunnels under Big Ben, exploring how they've been designed and preserved to ensure the stability of this iconic structure. 1. The Jubilee Line Extension. One of the most prominent projects in the history of tunnels beneath Big Ben was the construction of the Jubilee Line Extension in the late 1990s. The extension brought the London Underground's Jubilee Line to Westminster, cutting through soft and unstable ground close to the iconic clock tower. Engineers had to find innovative ways to ensure that these tunnels wouldn't affect the stability of Big Ben, which was already over 150 years old at the time. By using compensation grouting, a technique that involves injecting grout into ground to stabilize it, engineers were able to preserve the structural integrity of the clock tower. This careful balance ensured that Big Ben wouldn't shift or tilt during the construction of the new underground passageways. 2. The Westminster Station Box. Another major project was the creation of the Westminster Underground Station, which required digging a large station box beneath Westminster Bridge. This project was particularly challenging due to the proximity of Big Ben. The excavation had to be done carefully to avoid any risk of damage to the surrounding buildings. The station box, which houses the platforms for the Jubilee Line, was created using specialized techniques to minimize the impact on the ground above. The station's construction was a huge engineering feat, as it had to blend seamlessly with the surrounding historical buildings while also meeting the needs of modern London's transportation system. 3. The role of compensation grouting. Compensation grouting was a critical technique used throughout the construction of these tunnels. It allowed engineers to counteract any subsidence or settlement of the earth caused by digging, ensuring that Big Ben and other nearby structures remained secure. This technique is essential in modern tunneling projects, especially when working around such historic landmarks. It's fascinating how something so invisible and behind the scenes can have such a major impact on the preservation of an icon like Big Ben. By carefully monitoring the grouting process, engineers ensured that the ground remained stable and the clock tower's position remained unchanged. 4. The historic significance of Westminster's tunnels. The area surrounding Big Ben has a long history of subterranean tunnels. Many of these passages were originally built for purposes such as drainage, transportation, and defense. Over time, these tunnels have been repurposed or sealed off, but some still exist hidden beneath the city. These early tunnels laid the foundation for the modern infrastructure we use today. As London evolved, so too did its underground needs, and the tunnels beneath Big Ben became an essential part of the city's development. 5. Preservation and modern use. While most of these tunnels are not open to the public, they continue to play a crucial role in London's underground systems. Engineers perform regular inspections and maintenance to ensure that these tunnels remain safe and functional. The tunnels not only serve transportation purposes, but also house utilities and other infrastructure necessary for the modern city. Thanks to careful preservation efforts, the tunnels beneath Big Ben remain part of London's evolving history, silently supporting the city's infrastructure while protecting its historical landmarks. The tunnels beneath Big Ben are a testament to the incredible engineering feats that have kept this iconic landmark standing tall for centuries. From the Jubilee Line extension to the preservation of ancient passageways, these underground systems are vital to the functioning of London. The next time you think of Big Ben, remember there's an entire hidden world beneath its towering structure, ensuring the city continues to thrive.